What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another backtesting video. So I am literally recording this like 5 minutes after I finished my live trading video. I don't know why. I took a really annoying loss today, as you guys are going to see in the live trading video, which is being uploaded literally right now. I took a super mid loss, and then I had a good setup, a great setup came up, and then I missed the initial 15-second entry. I was just too slow on it, and then I took a 1 minute and got break even. So super annoying trading day, but I kind of just like felt like backtesting, bro. Like I need to prove to myself that I'm not shit at trading. But yeah, let's get right into it. So we're just starting off where we left off. So we're still doing the month of June here. The last backtesting week that I had was horrendous. We had a 50% win rate. I'm pretty sure. Let me look at the analytics of how we were doing. Unable to load my sessions. All right, bro. Hold on. We have to hit a quick refresh here. All right, here we are. So the session analytics we had. Were we straight break even? We had 50% win rate. We had one winner, one loser, and then like break even. So yeah, that was a break even week. So we'll just keep it going here. Nothing crazy. And yeah, what day is this on? This is on Friday, so we're gonna have to skip to. What the fuck? Bro, what is this object tree? We do not need that, my guy. So yeah, we'll skip to Monday here. Start of New York session. And bang, we're looking good. So let me skip over to 9:30 here. And let's check out this bias. So it looks to me like we're pretty bearish right now, not gonna lie. It looks like we're bearish. It looks like we're heading towards this new week opening gap. So, I mean, I guess I'll just mark out a low within this new week opening gap for us to target. Nothing crazy. I mean, more so I do need to see like proper manipulation here of some type. So what do we have? What do we have? What do we have? We don't have anything. We do not have anything. Okay. I mean, I guess you could maybe call this an hourly CIST, but looks like we don't have much. We swept out this low within the new week opening gap as well. So who knows? We might want to be bullish off of that. If we don't want to go all the way down, so I could see that as well. We had 9:30 open low into this 4-minute. And then we opened high into that 5-minute. Yeah, we're going to just let this play out here. I kind of had a feeling that Judas was going to work. All right, and then here we tapped into that hourly CISD that I was mentioning. Well, we get our full inverse here. We have good trend line to the bottom. We have our highest time frame here being this 3-minute, so I'll kind of just let this one close here. All right, so we hold that. Yeah, we're gonna just kind of let this. Oh my god, bro! Of course. Okay. Do I rip this short here off of that CISD? I do like this idea of a trade. It's just gonna have to be like a 1-to-1, and we'll go break even here. But I do like this 4-minute inverse. I wanted a 3-minute, but unfortunately, that close was just absolutely awful. But we inverse all the gaps in this leg. So yeah, I'll take this with stop loss at the body here, and we'll just sell here. Oh, we need a little bit more risk than that. We'll do like 8 micros. And yeah, we'll take this and we'll just go break even at that low there. So yeah, let's see how this plays out. And boom, we'll break even there. Hopefully this just flushes lower. Bro, are you kidding me? So we get absolutely break even cooked there. And then, yeah, okay, wow, look at that TP, bro. That is really unfortunate. Really, really unfortunate break even there. But it is what it is. We get break evened, and we'll see if this day wants to give us anything else. I'd be okay with longs today, to be honest, if we get a pullback. I guess we may get a pullback into here, as well as here. Okay, now we just want to dump. Yeah, this might be like a no trade day type of day or some shit. Yeah, I'm gonna skip this day. We got break even, unfortunately, but that just looks like an absolutely dog shit day, to be honest with you guys. Moving on to the next one, we have Tuesday here, our news for today, and we have no news. Looks like we basically filled the new week opening gap, and we look really bearish here, so just some type of a continuation short would be nice. And yeah, we have this 4 hour right here, which we could tap into. Honestly, that's like all that I need. I just want to see price tap into this 4 hour. Open high. Or not. Okay, we got no manipulation at all. And we now trade into this 1 hour internal. Okay, this is a potential long setup. Do I like this long? Do I like this long? I don't hate this. We got true manipulation. Yeah, I don't hate this long. I'll take this. We have nice low resistance leading up to that 4 hour. I'll take this trade. I don't hate this. It's pretty solid risk to reward. Yeah, I'll take this. Just TP at that 4 hour. I'm not going to go break even on this one. We'll just kind of let it rip. And yeah, I feel good about that displacement. I kind of like everything here. Feel good about this. We'll take this one. We can risk a little heavier on that. I like this trade a lot. We'll do like yeah, it's solid 550 risk for like 750. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, so I'll take this. So here we have a 1 minute inverse coming out of this 1 hour internal low, targeting that 4 hour. Pretty bullish on the high time frame. Kind of a rebalance play. And no way. Boom. All right. Yeah, that plays out. Pretty expected. That's pretty much like exactly what you need. Move on to the next day here. That's a really good trade right there. Fire. Starting the week off green. And let's see. So, looks like we are still have this like high time frame bearish movement-ish here. This is our 4 hour internal low. Besides that, we don't really have much else below us here. We have this 30-minute gap on NQ, which we just traded into. So if we do want to be bearish, we could potentially see a short off of this. Maybe like a 30-second or 15-second or something. Oh, there's a 1 minute here. There is a 1 minute. Yes, just is so broken right now. Yeah, I'll take this just based off of that displacement. I'll take it. It's a good trade. I like this a lot. Just do stop loss at the body here, and I'll hold this for a 1-to-1. Yeah, I like this a lot. Targeting that 4 hour internal low, and I mean, we're pretty bearish, so I feel good about it. High time frame has been really bearish. We're wicking that 30 minutes super strongly. Yeah, I like this trade a lot. Another Judas swing here. 2 in a row. It's kind of on the more rare side of things, but Yeah, I mess with this. Holy shit, that's way too much risk. Do like 14. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I feel good about this. I'm down to risk 750. It's a little bit more than I usually would, but okay, and we get stopped out by the tick, and yeah, it runs higher. Okay. Do we want to see something else get hit? Is there a 15-minute in here? We tapped the 15-minute there. Okay, bias is just completely wrong for today. We're just pumping higher. We had, yeah, this is just, bias was wrong for today, unfortunately. Do we get like a pullback into a 15-minute? That's like all that I would take here, to be honest. We actually do right here. Nice. Okay. We also tapped this hourly gap here, which I guess we could have shorted. Stop hunt. That would have been the better trade. Fucking skipped it though. But this would have been the better trade. We tapped the hourly gap here, generated liquidity, stop hunt, inversion, enter there. Now we tapped the 15-minute though, so we could get a long here maybe. Three-minute inverse. Bro. Having trouble printing candles here, 1 second. Bro, why is FX replay tweaking? All right, we'll take this 4-minute inverse here off of this 15-minute. We're just targeting this high up here. And yeah, for my stop loss, I'll just do like here. That's fine. How's ES looking? ES is looking like it doesn't know what the hell it wants to do. I'm gonna fade this actually just because of ES. Yeah, good fade. Okay, that short was the play of the day though. I fucking missed that, unfortunately. Yeah, that was a beautiful short right here. Beautiful short. It's alright though. On to the next one. I gotta stop skipping candles. That's my issue with backtesting. I'd be going too fast and then I like miss shit. Alright, on the daily here, we are on the 4-hour. We'll do that. I'd say we're bullish. Yeah, I'd say we're bullish here for sure. So give me like a 930 open low into something. This is a 1-hour internal low. We also have this 30-minute gap here. And just targeting these equal highs. All right, and we just pump until we take out this 4-hour internal low or internal high. So then do we get a short opportunity off of this? I would need a stop hunt for this probably. Oh, we do get the stop hunt on ES, SMT. Okay. If we get this candle, okay, yeah, we'll take this. We'll take this short. Just stop loss here. And we can do this targeting just a 1-to-1 risk to reward, honestly, with break even there. I'm cool with that. SMT at the high coming out of that 4-hour. Cool with that. I'm cool with that. Holy shit, bro, my risk is so cooked. All right. Bang and bang. Boom. All right, beautiful trade. Yeah, when it's like a counter trend trade like this, I did expect this 4 hour to be high of day. I do need like a stop hunt, so which we had the stop hunt here on ES with that SMT. Beautiful failure swing, fire inverse, and then I bet this runs lower. No, it does not. Okay. Wow. Well, good TP by me, I guess. And this day is Thursday. We'll move on to Friday, last day of this week. Is it the last one of the month? Yeah, this is the last trading day of this month. So then, yeah, we're finally done with this June. And then for the next video, I'll honestly just do like a whole month in one video. All right, but looking at the 4 hour here, we're really bullish. Although we're rejecting this daily gap though. So bias could go either way today. To be honest, I could see both bullish or bearish playing out. As for here, we swept this 30-minute internal. Okay. How do I feel about this? Sweep of that 30-minute internal low. Holding this 1 hour. We've just been so bearish or so bullish. Honestly, I like this displacement a lot. We're very, very strongly displacing here. So I'll take this. And I'll just do like a TP at, I'll go break even here at this 15-minute. And then we'll just hold it for a 1-to-1. But yeah, I'll take this just because it's like a Judas type setup. Those are usually pretty nice. And I mean, targeting that, what's it called? That daily high isn't that crazy to me either. So we're break even here, pretty fast break even, not gonna lie. Give this a little bit of room to breathe. Oh my god, bro. I said I'll give it room to breathe, and then we just get fucking obliterated by that. Okay, well, my trade idea was right, but it was unfortunately break even. I had to go break even there because we had a 30-minute. Yeah, I can't not go break even there. Well, I think we still ended off this week green. 2 dubs, a loss, and yeah. I went through this really quickly. Hope you guys got something out of that. But what I would take out of this is like definitely be careful of where you're going break even. Make sure you're kind of analyzing all the time frames and you're going break even at valid points. Like that 15-minute here, I think is a valid place to go break even since we are targeting relatively a high resistance high. Does this setup play out all the way to there? Yeah, okay. So my entry ran all the way to the daily high. So it is what it is, unfortunately, that we got break even there. But yeah, it is what it is. Hope you guys got something out of that though. That was definitely a faster backtesting video. I'm going to do a backtesting video soon here. Now that we're finally done with this month, I'm going to do the whole month of August 2024 that's coming up. And I'm going to just do the whole month in one video. It's going to be a long ass video, probably like a 2-hour long video. And I'm going to just explain like everything that I'm seeing and go through it super slowly, like super beginner friendly stuff. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for that. And let me know if you guys do want to see any other types of videos. Definitely tap in with my other social media in the comments. Tap in with my TikTok, my other social media as well. And yeah, until the next one, I guess I'll catch you guys. Peace out.